What's up guys, it's MB back with another cinematic tutorial, and today we have a super clean drop fade to go over, so let's jump right into it. First thing you want to do is comb down and make sure your client's hair is in its natural position. Next up, using your trimmer, create a baseline, eventually dropping it towards the occipital area. Make sure not to dig in, just set it in lightly. Now you want to remove everything underneath. For a cleaner look, use a shaver to get rid of all the stubble left behind. With your lever open now, create a 1/2 inch guideline all around. Make sure to follow the base of the shape line. Now with your lever closed, hit that baseline halfway through the guideline. Okay, now gradually open up the lever as you move up within the guideline. You now want to work patiently and use your corners if needed. Alright, with your 1.5 open, this time go up a full inch. With your number 2, now flow 1/2 inch above the 1.5 you just made. And now with your number 3, open up and get rid of any excessive darkness within the parietal area. Next, using your half guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Follow up with your half guard fully open and create another 1/2 inch guideline. All that is left to do is break the dark and light area using your number 1 open. Play around with the lever if needed. Finally, open up the lever fully without a guard and use your corners to clean up that last visible line. Be very diligent with your clipper and be patient. As for detailing, I would say this is what I concentrate on the most. Just hit any dark area as much as you need to have that flawless haircut. Guys, I do suggest you do each step all around the head as you go. In In this case, I only do half for demonstration purposes. If you happen to be wondering where to find these translucent clipper guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com. Now I just want to thank everyone who stays supporting the channel as we grow. It truly means the world, and if you're new, welcome to the fam. Guys, all discount codes for new gear and links to everything I use will be linked down below, so make sure to check that out. Alright y'all, for shear work, I just cleaned up sections where I thought he had too much bulk. I then dry up and prep the hair for the cross-cut method. I absolutely love this method as it does make a huge difference in texture when styled. Remember, you want to slightly slither your shears through making sure you don't fully close. Do this in both directions. You now want to prep the hairline by combing all the hair into its natural position and spraying a light coat of hairspray. With my FX3s, I start in the middle and work my way off to the corners. To place the cherry on top, I add a bit of clay and use my fingers to scrunch up the top, giving it a messy look. Guys, here you have an amazing drop fade, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next one. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.